Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Matt. We are standing in front of a Japanese McDonald's in Japan, Okinawa to be exact. We're gonna go inside and check out how different this two-story, by the way, two-story Japanese McDonald's is than America. They actually have a chocolate cream pie that's supposed to be exclusive to Japan. We're gonna go ahead and go inside, order, look at the menu, see what they have that's different, what they have that's the same, how it compares. Two-story McDonald's in Japan. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, guys, fixing my mic, going inside this Japanese McDonald's. It's two-story, it looks really cool. Let's see what we got here. So, you can order online. We got a bacon burger. There's Chris. The cream pie. Oh, that's what we're getting, huh?
They only have the Muteki.
Let's see the menu here.
That's the Big Mac right there, double cheeseburger, Teriyaki Burger. I don't know if they really have that in America, right?
No, they have no teriyaki burger, so that one's exclusive, the teriyaki burger. Egg cheeseburger, I don't think they have that either. I don't really get McDonald's in America though.
Fideo, I think that's only in Japan too.
What is? Oh, ebi?
Fideo.
Oh, yeah, the shrimp. This is what we got, and this is a chocolate pie.
It's an Okinawa no cream pie, which is literally like adult cream pie.
Adult cream pie.
Yeah, Okinawa no, it's the Okinawa.
Oh wow, so we're gonna have an adult cream pie, and it has vodka in it.
I don't think, it doesn't have anything seasoned like that in it.
No, it doesn't have anything. All right, no vodka. Theoretically, this pie is for children too. Are we waiting for something else?
Get to get out of the toilet.
Huh? Oh no, don't crop dust me. That's not a good idea. The viewers will hate you.
I have to be a little quiet though, because it looks like everyone's studying.
It's just like a library, basically.
This is the McDonald's library. It's really quiet in here. It's because it's Japan and everyone's quiet. They're all studying, but we're about to have our choco cream adult pies.
In our mouths.
This is getting really dirty, guys. All right, so we're gonna stuff our mouths with adult cream pies. How is it? It's really good? Really? This is exclusive in Japan. It's good, huh?
What?
Wow, okay, I'm gonna try it. Yes. No. All right, let's try this. Oh, wow. Oishii desu.
What flavor is this?
Adult flavored.
Belgian chocolate.
Oh, is it?
Bitter de chocolat.
This is the best pie I've ever had from McDonald's.
Just tell America to get in line.
I'm surprised this isn't in America.
It actually tastes like a brownie.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's say it's. I feel like it'd be like, because I know Americans say.
Yeah, this isn't like
sweeter food, but this is actually like pretty sweet.
Yeah, this isn't like a weird American dish. No, like I feel like people like the teriyaki burger and the shrimp burger and stuff. No one's gonna get that. But a chocolate pie, I mean, this has America written all over it. Well, it's not. It has adult cream pie written all over it, but still. Chris is also having the spicy chicken burger, which is also unique to Japan, I think.
They have spicy chicken burgers in McDonald's.
Yeah, but it's not like this. This is like, they have spicy chicken at McDonald's, but this is like chicken, and then it has like, what is it, like the sauce is like a kimchi sauce?
I think it tastes a little kimchi-like.
Yeah, this is kind of kimchi.
Yeah, it's a spicy chicken kimchi. You know what, guys? I think I will try the teriyaki burger because that is unique here in Japan. I'm still hungry, so I'm gonna go downstairs and get the teriyaki burger. Okay guys, that was really quick. The food came really fast. These fries actually, they taste like McDonald's fries, but some of them, every once in a while I get one that's like really potato-y. These actually taste like real potatoes. Not all of them. Some of them taste just like a regular McDonald's fry, but every once in a while I'll get one that's like, it just tastes like a potato. Yeah, let me try my teriyaki burger. Teriyaki burger from McDonald's. Not in America, guys. It's gonna be a mess.
What are you, a cow?
Let me explain.
This is why I don't like.
So his teeth are useless. Because he's got these like really super round teeth. They're not jagged at all, so they don't bite into anything.
They make fun of my teeth, they make fun of my shoulders. Like, I'm just trying to eat a burger at McDonald's.
So how is it?
It's good, but it does taste like a McDonald's hamburger.
Just with teriyaki sauce instead of.
Yeah, pretty much. And it's like a cheap teriyaki sauce. I don't think it's like a high quality teriyaki sauce. So that was it, guys. I realize it's not the most exciting vlog in the world. I mean, it's really just a McDonald's, but unique things about it. I mean, it's two-story. They serve teriyaki burgers. The Choco Cream Pie, adult cream pie or whatever it's called, the chocolate cream pie, was really good. They have a shrimp burger. They have a few unique things. And they're also, next month, for the whole month, for a limited time, they're coming out with a rice patty burger, which is, instead of bread for the patty, it's gonna be rice. That's it, guys. I just want to show Japanese McDonald's. If you want to see more unique things about Japan, wanted to show it because there's a few unique things having to do with this McDonald's and all around the world, really. Go ahead and subscribe down below. If you like the video, go ahead and thumbs up. Let me know what you think. And thanks so much, guys. I will see you in the next video.